I'm a pathologist with expertise in pulmonary renal pathology. My research interests include develop integrated reporting with radiology specifically. And so the areas I've been most productive in, I guess, in terms of research, is looking at ways we can combine workflows between pathologists and radiologists. There's enormous opportunity to refine sort of the diagnostic message that we produce from pathology with the aid of radiology. So eventually, I don't think there'll be a convergence of departments, but I think there'll be more and more opportunities in the future for pathologists to refine their diagnosis and provide more helpful diagnostic pointers to the clinicians in terms of how to work up and follow this patient in the future. The biggest challenges in my area are often trying to accumulate the results of all these different tests that we do for cancer. Nowadays, there are so many different tests that the clinicians are asking for that have very important prognostic and predictive value for how patients will behave and should be treated. So getting all that information and putting it into one, synthesized report is quite challenging. So we try to come up with solutions by automating an integration report, but it involves a little bit of cooperation on the part of pathologists and radiologists when we integrate radiology as well. So the other end of the challenge is not just having all that information out there and putting it into one source, but also getting the players involved, the pathologists and radiologists, to buy into the new system and help create this single report for our treating clinicians and patients. This has been a fantastic conference. I can't remember being in a conference where every single presentation was such high quality, with such high quality speakers, and very vibrant. And the attendees have been very, very collegial and made a lot of great contacts with people I'm sure I'll keep in touch with. And I found it to be a great networking and educational experience. So I really had a wonderful time.